Hey y'all, it's your girl Shugs and I am back at you with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be trying out really a lot of new products. Not every single thing I had a new product for, but I did have a few. You know, holidays is coming up and they keep sending your girl these emails talking about 50% off here, 25% off there, free shipping. And like I be feeling attacked. Like it's hard to pass that up. This is the look. Hopefully y'all like it. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Alright, so I'm really not 100% sure what direction I want to go in, but I really do think I want a smoky eye. I got one of the Jaclyn Hill palettes that in the vault or something like that. This one is the Bling Boss. I really like this packaging. I just love white. It's like one of my favorite colors. I definitely want to do this purple gem. Just get one. Okay. Got this rock star. Ooh, bling bling, that one's cute. It's a little light. See, bling bling and ballsy. Ooh, glitz and glam is real cute. I like that one. And I also got another Juvia's Place palette because like nobody told me that they were like bomb in real life. Y'all real shady for not doing that, but it's okay. I definitely want to use this black because like I said, I want a smoky. But I think I have another idea I can use this palette for, so we may do that for another video. Or excuse me, I don't have any new concealers, so I'm just gonna go in with my Colourpop because it's light. I don't want to use white, but I do want something light. We're gonna buff that out. So we're not gonna set that. First, we're gonna take a black shader brush and we're gonna use this Black in the Saharan by Juvia's Place. And put that on the lid. Taking a fluffy brush, we're gonna take this color Rock Star. And start blending out that black. Now I've heard a lot of bad stuff about this palette, so we're gonna see. Alright, next taking a clean blending brush. I think I'm going with this color Sparks. Can you see that? And then put that on top. Alright, I'm back. Your girl had to change the wig. I felt like I already don't like myself in dark hair, and I felt like with this, it was doing way too much. So I needed some brightness in my life, you feel me? Okay, so I've applied my lashes, mascara, did the eyeliner. Now we're going to move on to the face. I'm going to prime the face. I don't have a new primer, so I'm just gonna use one. Now using the Colourpop No Filter Foundation. The color is Deep Dark 185. I got this foundation over the summer, but I got it too light for my summer shade. I think it'll work now for me since I'm lighter in the winter. We gonna see. I'm gonna do one side of my face with a brush and one side with a beauty blender to see which one I like better. Still see a little bit of the texture on my skin, but it's like, it's not bad. But I do think that's like a perfect match for me right now. That's a yes. That might be my new winter shade, like every day. I think I like how it applied better with the brush than with the beauty blender. I don't know, the beauty blender side is just, I don't know. I think I like the brush better. Since I didn't have any new concealer, I went ahead and did that off camera. Now I'm going to try this, it's LA Girl Pro Concealer, that is a mouthful, in the color Mahogany. I see a lot of people use these for their contour, but I've just never done it before, so I'm a little nervous. I don't know if I want to use a sponge or a brush. I'm really scared. But when I see other people use it, they don't use a lot, so I'm not gonna use a lot. Ooh, child. Ooh, y'all, I'm nervous. Let's see. I don't think I'm a fan of the color. Like, it looks a little gray. I don't know if it's coming off like that on camera. I feel like I got set. It looks gray under my eyes. I don't know, we're gonna add some more. To my base. Saharan Blush Volume number 2 palette. And let's see. Well, online this color looked a lot darker than what it is. I thought I was going to be able to bronze with it, but I'm not. So I'm going to go back to an oldie but a goodie. This little, actually no, I'm not, because that looks like it's too old. I haven't used that in a really long time. I'm going to bronze just with my bronzer by Morphe in the color Showmance. Now I'm gonna blush with this palette. That's too light. And that's too orange. So I swiped the colors Tall and B. And I don't know, let me try B. Oh Jesus, I hope I don't mess this whole face up, because y'all know I'm really not a blush person anyway. It's very pigmented, but it's pretty. What about this color? Oh no. Absolutely not. Not today. Okay. I'm just gonna go in with my Milani Fantastic Baked Bronzer. So I'm gonna set my face. This is something that I have. Actually, I should have been done that. I'm all over the place today. Y'all excuse me. This black Opal True Color in the color Dark 600. I've used it before, but I've never used it to set my face. So I just feel like I don't have enough bronzer on. Or like I really just need to contour because I feel like I don't have any color in the top of my forehead. And I do not like that at all. And now we're gonna finish the eyes, going back in this Jaclyn Hill palette. First, gonna take that color Rockstar and put that really close. Then we're gonna go in with the color Sparks and kind of smoke that out. I don't know, they ain't really doing what I thought it was gonna do. Let's add bling bling. Alright, now let's set our face. We're gonna fix plus today. Now for the lips, we're going to keep it neutral since it's so much going on with the eyes. So line your lips. Y'all know I'm using my NYX in dark brown. Now I'm using this Milani color. It's called Matte Naked, I think. Such a pretty color. All right, and here is the final look. I hope y'all all enjoyed.